This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in MS Word. First, open a new or existing document in Microsoft Word. Look for the Home tab at the top of your screen. Within the Home tab, find the font group. You'll see a tiny arrow, sometimes called a dialog box launcher, in the bottom right corner of this group. Click on that arrow to open the font dialog box. This is where we'll make our initial changes. Once the font dialog box appears, you'll see several options. First, select your preferred font from the Font drop-down menu. Next, choose a font style, such as regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. Finally, pick your desired size. You can see a preview of your selections in the sample area at the bottom of the dialog box. Take a moment to ensure your choices look good before proceeding. After making your font, style, and size selections, look for the Set as Default button located in the bottom left of the font dialog box. Click this button. A small prompt will appear, asking if you want to apply these changes to this document only or all new documents based on the normal template. To make this your permanent default, select All New Documents. Then, click OK to confirm your choice and close the dialog box. To verify your changes, simply close your current document and open a brand new one. You should immediately see your newly selected font, style, and size applied automatically. This means your default font has been successfully updated for all future documents you create. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your Word experience. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your updated Word settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.